back to my channel. It's Nettie here. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I just wanted to come on here and do a little unboxing with you guys. It was my birthday yesterday, May 12th, Mother's Day, and so I picked up a little something, so it's from me to me. And I wanted to share it with you guys. So, and then I'll post it later on my Instagram. So, if you follow me there, you will also see it. But normally I post there first, but this time I'm posting on my YouTube channel first. So you guys will be the first to see it, and then I'll stick it up there. Anyways, here it is. It's a big box, but it's not a big item. But Dior does such a great job at boxing things up, and you know, so that's why it's so big. So let me share this with you. I've already opened it up, but here it is. So this is what their boxing looks like. It looks beautiful, as you can see, and up above here is where they keep all the receipts and any return information. So that's kind of like a nice little addition there. But in the lower part is where they put the box. So let me just put this bigger box down over here. And this is the Dior box that I got, and they wrapped it up so nicely. You can see the ribbon has the gold Dior on it. Usually it's a different color, so this one has the gold on it. Sometimes you get the silver. But anyways, so let's unbox this thing. You can probably tell sort of what it is, but let's do this. So I'll untie it. They always put a knot in it, so bear with me, guys. I'll try and undo it. Okay, so here we go. There's the ribbon off. And inside the box, you can see it's going to be a pair of shoes, little receipt, and they have two dust bags, yep, with the Dior on it. And they're kind of like a soft cotton bag, so they're really nice. And inside the box, I'm so rusty at this, guys. I haven't done any unboxings for a long time. But inside are the Dior shoes that I bought, and I just love these. You can see they're just beautiful. They're the Dior Kaleidoscopic sandals, and I just love them. And I like that I got the like army green, and the it's kind of like a mauve pink, and I got size 35, so they do fit true to size. And look at the kaleidoscope all over. And the back is just a plain brown leather. But I think these will be so great for the summertime. I'm wearing a lot of like army greens and beiges, and these will just go so nice with anything, with white pants, with the army green pants and shorts that I have, white shorts, and black shorts, anything, it's just. And they look really nice with jeans as well, this color. So those are my new Dior sandals. And let me take out the other one. They're exactly the same. So there they are. And if you're interested, I will put the information on cost down below in the comments. But those are my new Dior sandals. Thank you very much for joining me today, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.